cool drink. Rest for the journey. Rest for the journey. Surprises light in these